Any aspect of real estate, any aspect of development, any aspect of work in the neighborhood and in the community, I think Coldwell Banker is far superior than any other broker in the area. Hi, I'm Tom Yargo. I'm the manager of the Coldwell Banker office here in Shadyside. Well, what's great about this location, you look out the windows and you just see everything that's going around here in the East End. There's so much happening here. Residential development, business, retail, and we're literally right in the middle of it. And the most exciting thing is we get to be a part of the residential components. I think really it is our cultural distinction from other companies. The approach is, that you don't sacrifice profit for a lack of ethics or, cutting corners. I would like to be considered more a coach than a manager. I don't really manage people, but I coach them and we kind of do everything as a team.
He always makes time for agents, no matter what we need.
He's taken his personal time to help, me resolve my issues.
He is sympathetic to our needs, he's smart, and he makes everything a lot of fun.
They're the best, and it's because of the coaching, and whether it's one-on-one or what we do at sales meetings. I know that they're the best trained. They bring that skill to the marketplace, and I know that the consumer sees that. The access to the learning for the agents, for the managers, for the staff, I think is really user-friendly. The innovative technology tools, that whole subject matter is probably the biggest advantage I have as a manager. Just drill down from the technology into how it provides better customer service, more efficiency for the agent, and ultimately with those two components, it's profitable for the agent. The Agent Profit Participation Program. Of course, the APP is an added incentive, I think, for good people truly to take that opportunity to get other good people that they want to work with and be rewarded financially for that. Any given day, there's nothing, nothing that's going to be the same as it was yesterday or even an hour ago. New challenges, new excitement, new opportunities. It's something new, it's something exciting, challenging at all times. I want to thank you for watching my video today, and if you are out there in Pittsburgh as a prospective seller or a buyer, it's a really good, healthy real estate market. And if you're out there thinking about a career in real estate or thinking about changing companies, this is the place you want to be to get these prospective sellers and buyers. And again, thank you for visiting the office. Thank you for watching the video.